let's discuss all the exercises and answers of worksheet 9, which is based on articles. And you have all completed the answers based on definite, indefinite, and zero articles. So let's get started. The first one is Adnan placed dash order for dash cake for his younger brother's birthday. Dash cake was delivered in attractive box. His brother's name was on cake. So what you have to do, filling the blanks with the correct articles. Write zero where no article is required. You understand? We have to use definite or indefinite articles if required so, and if there is no need of writing any article, then you can simply write zero. That means no articles. So let's see the answers. Number 1, the answer would be dash order. Just see the noun. First of all, have to ask that what is the noun given after the blank. If it is singular, then you can use a or an, or if it is plural, we can also write the. Now the noun given is order and it is singular. So we can write a or an. Then the second question arises if it is a consonant or vowel. If the sound that you speak the word order, if the sound is a consonant, then you write a, or if it is a vowel, then write an. So write an because O is a vowel, right? For dash cake, for O cake, the noun given is cake and it is singular, it is not plural, and it is also the consonant. So what should be the correct answer? Okay. And it is also introduced first time, so we can't write the at all, right? So the next one, a cake for his younger brother's birthday. Now again the cake is getting repeated, so what would we write? The cake was delivered in dash attractive box, in an attractive box. His brother's name was on dash cake, on the cake. So this way you have to solve all the other exercises which are given in worksheet 9. Question number 2. We bought dash expensive fridge last year. Dash fridge has been working fine since then. It has dash automatic defrost system which ensures that dash fridge defrost once dash week. So what you have to do, first of all, find out the noun written just immediately after the blank. If it is a singular, then opt or choose only from a or an, or if it is a plural, then you can go for the if it is required so. So let's see number 1 blank. We bought dash expensive fridge. So the fridge, what is being mentioned here, fridge is a noun and it is just written after the blank. So what should we write? We should write an expensive fridge. Why? Because E is a vowel. If the sound what we are speaking and pronunciating the word, it is of a vowel, then we are supposed to write an. And if it is a consonant sound, then we'll write a with them. Next is dash fridge. Now already an expensive fridge has been written. We will write here the fridge. Okay. Has been working fine since then. It has dash automatic. Again, the word which is given after the blank is automatic defrost system. So what would you write? An automatic. Okay, which ensures that now fridge has already come. It is mentioning it is getting mentioned twice or thrice. So we will write the, because it is getting repeated again and again in the paragraph. So once a week. Number 3. Neil watching dash cartoon show when suddenly the light went out. He called dash electrician to get the power connection. repaired. Dash electrician came and checked the dash connection. He found out that there was a dash short circuit. So choose the correct articles and fill in the blanks. Let's write the first one for carton. Then come electrician and electrician and electrician dash electrician. Now the electrician is getting repeated. We'll say the electrician came and checked. Now connection is repeated or not? Yes, the connection. He found out that there was a short circuit. So this is all about answers of question 3. Okay, let's move on to number 4. So the fourth question is dash school annual function is going to take place within dash week. All day students are preparing for dash function. Dash award will be given to dash best student of dash year. So you have to choose the correct article and then fill in the blank. First of all, we'll see the noun given after the blank is school. Is it a singular or plural? Singular. But you have to see if it is specified particularly, then we will write the with it. If it is a general talk, a general idea which is being shared with you all, then we will write or and. So let's write, we are specifying the school annual function, so we will write the school annual function is going to take place within a week. All the students are preparing for the function. An award will be given to the best student of a year. Okay, this is all about the exercise 4. Number 5. Alia is going to dash United States to meet her aunt, who is dash lecturer in one of dash best colleges in California. So let's write the correct answers. Alia is going to the. Why do we write the? As the name of the state is written with S. As I gave you a few examples of Netherlands and Philippines, here also United States is written with the. To meet her aunt, who is a lecturer. Who is a lecturer in one of, now the superlative degree, blank is followed up or succeeded by the superlative degree, so we will write the best colleges in California. So this was all about the exercises based on articles, and you have to keep practicing these exercises so you can go through all these points easily. You can understand and apply it in all the questions. I hope you have all understood it well.